stood beneath the flashing lights. Words rehearsed but nothing right. City cold, the air held still. Every answer bent by will. Cameras close, the questions stay. Comfort is leaks frame by frame. Said he came to take control, but the street already knew the road. No cheers tonight, no crowd in line, just heavy silence passing time. Power sounds different when it cracks, when the script won't talk back. He came to speak to Sig, he listened and looked away, unimpressed, unshaken. Eyes blast over, voice goes thin, trying hard to hold it in. Flags behind him barely move, nothing left to really prove. Every part says what he wants, every breath feels like it's known. When you're asking for respect and the street just won't connect. You can't force belief, you can't command trust. Some cities don't bow, they just wait you out. No cheers tonight, no closing light, just fading words in borrowed time. Authority bends and just away when the people choose not to play. Lights go down, the moment's through. The city's still here, he's passing through. The city's still here, he's passing through. The city's still here, he's passing the city's still here.